What's up, you guys? It's Robotico AI, and I wanted to make an announcement today. And I just there's a lot, there's like so much stuff to cover. It's kind of crazy, so it's gonna be hard. But let's go ahead and go through this. And I don't think we'll be needing the mask anymore. So let's start there. What's up, you guys? It's Robotico AI. I'm happy to be here. Happy for you to see me, see my face finally, officially anyway. I know that you guys have seen photos and you're like, oh, is that Robotico? Well, anyway, here I am. So I'm I'm really excited to announce that I'm not going to just do a DAO or a coin. We were talking about doing a DAO for the community with the next project, where you guys would become partners and you'd get 50% back in like a community wallet from the mint. And so what I decided to do instead is something completely different, something very new and innovative. And you're about to find out. It costs 0.25 ETH. Well, that's very expensive, Robotico. How are you gonna? Why are you charging that much? Well, I'm gonna explain it now. So essentially, I came to you guys saying that I wanted to create a DAO or a token when I created the next collection. And whatever mint money there was, I was going to share 50% of that and put it in a community wallet that would be controlled by the community. Um, the other option was we created a token and then we add that money, 50% of the mint, to liquidity for that token. The problem with doing that is if anyone has more tokens than someone else and they sell it from under you, they drain the liquidity. And so I thought maybe that wasn't the best idea. So I thought, okay, how do I give a coin or a community coin or token back to you guys and create a DAO? So I thought of this. So the price is going to be 0.25 ETH. That's a lot. Why is it so much? Because when you go look at the average sale for a new mint, it's zero point zero 0.05 to zero point zero 0.08 on average. Sometimes they do reach zero point 0.1. And so 0.25 divided by zero point zero 0.05 is 5 times, right? Or divided by zero point zero 0.08, what's that? That's like what, 4 times or whatever, close to that. And so essentially, it's like buying 3 or 4 or 5 NFTs up front. But what you're gonna get as a VIP is you're gonna get all access to every collection that I ever release. So you will get one free mint per collection. And this is for collections that are true mintable contract collections. Obviously, if I'm doing like foundation or rareable, or I'm creating 101s or small collections where there's just a few pieces or 101s, obviously those don't count because I'm not going to add 500 NFTs to those. Those are just one of one separate little mini things that I'm doing, or small collaborations. Now, if I do create a collaboration, which I'm working on, I'm going to talk about that shortly. If it's a 10K or more collection, you will get obviously a free mint of that because I'm the creator, I'm the one making it. And I'm going to stipulate that anyone I work with, if I make NFTs for them or if I work with them, that my VIP pass will get that access. GoblinAi can get whitelist as well because remember, GoblinAI holders got a free goblins and then whitelist to everything else. This VIP pass that I'm creating is whitelist to everything. So essentially, and it's a no cost whitelist. It's not just whitelist. It's you're not paying for any more NFTs once you buy this one. So that's $300, $320, right? That's a lot of money. Well, how do I give back? Well, 50% of that will immediately go back into a community wallet. This community wallet will be controlled by mods and admins and people that we vote for inside of the Discord. So obviously, someone like GobAlex, AM, and Irish, those guys are eligible. But so is someone in the community. So there's ICBM Corey, there's Val Valiant, there's GU, there's other people that are in the Discord every day that they can be a signer. So as long as we vote for them and we approve, they can become a signer. And we need at least 3 signers, I believe. So essentially, 0.25 ETH for this 500 mint pass. And the best part is that these mint passes is not just going to be a token or like a VIP pass that floats and everybody gets it like an 1155. I decided not to do that. I'm making a true 500 piece collection of this NFT. So it's not just one, right? It's not just one floating there. It's multiple. So let's go ahead and go to OpenSea real quick, and then I'll show you guys. Like for instance, I'll show you guys OpenSea. Let's see, what is their name? Ah, shoot. the Nifty, guys. There's a Nifty pass. Nifty Gateway Pass. OpenSea. I'm like all slow. I don't know what the heck's wrong with me. The Nifty portal. So, if you look at this, it's one stupid like picture or coin. All right, you can hit play on it. I don't know if it has audio. It has audio. So that's cool. Well, I'm not doing an 1155. If you look at this, it's 1155. I'm going to create 500 NFTs for this token. Okay? So you'll get VIP access and you're going to get a token. I'm very proud to say that I am working with my son, who is a 3D Blender artist. He's 15 years old. He's been working in Blender for about 2 years. The guy is super, super talented. I love him. The kid's getting his cut. He's going to get paid as well. I told him, look, you're a professional. You're going to work like a collaborator and a friend, not just my son. You know, I'm going to ask you to do things and work on this. And guess what? He's going to make 500 handmade pieces in Blender. But for the first time ever in history, Robotico AI is breaking the mold and creating something new again. And I'm essentially going to make it so that these tokens that he makes, they are both AI and Blender generated. So what I'm doing is I'm making AI pieces of I forget what he calls it. It's like grayscale maps and stuff. It's weird. I can't remember right now. But anyway, long story short, I'm giving him pieces of art and things that I'm making, and then I'm handing it to him, and then he's custom making coins with what I gave him and his 3D Blender artwork as well while he customizes the coins. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the first one. Remember, there's going to be 500 of these. They're going to be 0.25 ETH. 50% is immediately going to go right back into a DAO for the community that you guys will control. 25% will go to infrastructure, a website. Robotico AI website is going to be worked on. I'm going to hire engineering. I'm going to have a simple website up in the next day or two, hopefully, that will show all of this information and what it is I'm speaking about on this video. But I want to create a website where it could either be a marketplace or have search functionality with GoblinAi and any other NFTs that I might release that doesn't have traits. Not everything will be like that, but mostly will, because AI is different. And you know, maybe a marketplace where other people can put their collections on and they could save 2.5% or 1.5% or whatever it is OpenSea charges. And I'm gonna rebuild IPFS for GoblinAi so that we can fix any issues that we might have with OpenSea. I do believe that the .json is an issue and that needs to be addressed. So IPFS is going to get rebuilt. I'm going to build a website. And then the last 0.25 left will go, half will go to me and half will go to the other developer, which is my son. But he's going to have a bank account and he's going to start saving his money. So I said, hey, look, you're a professional. You can do amazing work and you should be paid like a professional. And so he will enjoy 12.5% of the mint. But I'm not done. This is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what one looks like, what my son made for me. Now look at this beauty. Guys, it is a 3D object. You can see Robotico AI. It says artificial intelligence. It has some really cool text on the bottom. In Japanese, it means shogunai. It means it can't be helped. Life situations, etc. You can see in the middle is Robotico. Now, which is me. You know, that's my metal suit Gundam robot. Now, understand, all 500 will be different. There's going to be different textures, different designs, different things. It's just going to be, they're not all going to be the same. Now imagine the time it takes to work on this in 3D. You know, a 15-year-old making this quality of work. So he's getting paid just like a professional. I said, look, 50% is going to go to the community, 25% is going to go to additional engineering, a new website, and to, you know, rebuild IPFS and rebuild a bunch of different stuff. 25% is going to go to infrastructure for GoblinAi. 12.5 will go to me, and 12.5 will go to him. And it's like, okay, this is great. The community is going to be a part of this. They're going to get 75% of the money is going to go right back into the project and right back to you guys. So when you say, man, $300 is a lot, 0.25 is a lot, Robotico is crazy, guys, you're all going to get a handmade 3D design token that also has AI inside of it. This is AI with Blender. So it's the first. No one's done this before, okay? This is the first time. Imagine 500 beautiful tokens like these coins spinning on that page. Okay? That. Imagine you get VIP access and you get free mints for life. Anything that I work with that's a full mintable collection, you will be factored into that. So you're going to get a free mint. Okay? I'm going to do VIP functions and stuff inside of the Discord. There's going to be a VIP mint pass only channel where if you have to have this in order to even get on there. The other thing is I'm going to be doing basically collaborations with other people. Okay, there's someone that I'm working with right now. He has 1.3 million followers. We will make a mintable contract collection, and you will also get that token, that NFT, whatever it is. Right? I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, me and him are we're pinning down all of the details. Goblands, you'll get Goblands. Robotico AI, when the robots come out, you'll get robots. Okay? There is 3 or 4 other collections that I've worked on or have made over the last year that you will get. But I can't just release things every week, right? Things have to come out slowly and with time. I truly believe that Robotico AI and the things that I'm working on will be big one day, and I will be minting out collection after collection. We will be building value and art. Guys, look at this token, okay? There's going to be 500 tokens like this. 0.25 ETH is the mint price. But VIP minting on every collection I ever release, no cost. You'll get them for nothing. VIP access in Discord. VIP access to other collections that I do in collaboration with other people. And I'm going to take between 50 to 100 of these as giveaways, as rewards for people in the community. And for those who buy 10 GoblinAi on the floor, and you will get a token. So if you buy 10 GoblinAi from the floor, I will gift you one of these coins, and you won't spend 0.25 ETH. You can just go buy 10 GoblinAi. So, to my mods and admins, I love you guys. All of you will get a token automatically. You're getting one. You're not paying for it, obviously. There's people in the community that, there's people that buy goblins constantly throughout the week. They're going to get one automatically because I see what they've done. So, understand this. I'm doing a giveaway of these tokens, so you don't have to spend 0.25 ETH. Right now, our floor is $7 to $10. If you spend $100 to $150, you can probably buy 10 GoblinAi pieces. If you do, after right now, tonight, 10:05 p.m. on October 18th, I will gift you a token. So you won't have to buy it, just get some more goblins. Buy GoblinAi right now. We do want to help promote that project and get more holders and get more sales. So if you buy a GoblinAi, 10 GoblinAi, you will get one of these tokens at no cost. So for those of you who want to mint them, the contract will be out, I don't know, maybe in a couple of days. I'm doing some testing. And these tokens will be released as he makes them. So maybe a few a week, 10, 15 a week. I'll try to push this kid as much as possible. And, obviously it's going to take a couple of months or maybe 2-3 months, 4 months at the most for all of them to come out because it's 500 pieces handmade by him. I mean, look how talented he is. He even puts like scratch marks and there's like holes and the kid knows what he's doing. I think 0.25 is a steal for an NFT collection of 500. VIP pass forever. all the things and benefits that you're going to get. 75% is going to go right back to the community because 50% goes to a DAO wallet, 25% goes to the infrastructure, fixing IPFS, building a new website, maybe a marketplace, all of that we want to build. I'm going to hire some engineering, like 2 guys. I have 2 people in mind. And then 25 goes to the 2 devs. Guys, we're giving 75% right back. So I hope that you guys understand what it is I'm building. Remember, there's going to be a website. There's going to be things coming that include, this token and the 0.25 ETH that we're charging. But let me know your comments down below and on Discord. I appreciate you guys. I know that this video went long, but it's because I want to be very thorough and I want to make sure you guys understand. So anyway, Robotico AI tokens coming out. It's going to include a DAO. They're going to be 0.25 ETH. We are going to give a lot of these away. People in our community will get them for free. If you buy 10 goblins from the floor today and over the next day or 2 or 3 or 4, we will be watching the sales, and they have to be purchased at one time. So you have to do like a sweep on like gem.xyz. Do a 10 gob sweep and you'll get a token as well. So you'll get the 10 gobs, right? They're free when you think about it, because you're actually going to be getting a 0.25 NFT token with those 10 gobs. So, and if they're cheaper than the 0.25, then you got a deal, because now you got 10 goblins, GoblinAi, and then now you have the token. Buy 10 goblins, get a token, or you can mint them once I release the contract. And guys, they're going to look amazing just like this. All one of one. None of them are going to look the same. Yes, they'll have my logo, but the inside, some details, I've already seen the other ones that he's made. They look different. All of them handmade by a 15-year-old Blender dev. Come on, guys. You guys got to get in on this. 0.25 ETH. 75% goes right back to you guys. 50% to the DAO. 25% to infrastructure, website, IPFS rebuilding, additional engineering. I love you guys. Have a good night. Peace.